Hi everyone. Today's concept is number and letter analogy. It's one of the reasoning topic. It's very important because SSC exam, staff selection commission exam, and mainly in Capgemini, okay, in Infosys, in Tech Mahindra, they'll test you on number and letter analogy. Okay, number and letter analogy. There will be verbal analogy as well. Okay, okay, guys. First, what do you mean by analogy? Okay, so analogy means similarity. Okay, or the similar relationship. Okay, in questions on the number or letter analogies, a pair that has some certain relation between them. It is given. Already there will be some relation. Okay, this number or letter pair is followed by a third number or letter. You are expected to identify the relationship between the pair given and find out the fourth number or letter, such that this is very important. Okay, the relationship between third one, fourth one. Okay, the relationship between, I am repeating, the relationship between third and the fourth is similar to relationship that exists between first and second. So I am repeating one more time. What is the relation existing between 1 and 2? The same relation should exist between 3 and 4. You know, in some cases, it may not be the fourth one that has to be found out. Okay, the fourth one will be given, and you has to be find out the one, one of the other three. Okay, whatever is not given, simply he may give 1 and 2 and 3, you need to figure it out 4. Either he may give 3 and 4, you need to figure it out 1 and 2. Okay, either ways. Okay, guys, we look at first number analogy. Okay, we look at first, there are three analogies are there. One is number analogy, the other one is letter analogy, and the third one is, okay, verbal analogy. We'll see one by one. Point number one, number analogy. Okay, number analogy. you know these type of, the relation between the numbers in a given pair. you know there are, some following relationship will be there. There are varieties. Please note it down. One number is multiple of other. Okay, one number is multiple of other. Point number two, one number is the square or square root of the other. Okay, next one number is the cube or cube root of the other. Okay, cube or cube root of the other. Next the two numbers can be consecutive, even, odd, or prime numbers. Okay, next the two numbers are such that they are obtained by adding a certain number to the square or cube of the two related numbers. Next point, the two numbers are such that they are obtained by subtracting a certain number from the square or cube of the two related numbers. Two related numbers. Next point. Now these are main combinations. Okay. Next point. The two numbers are square of two other numbers which themselves are related. Which themselves are related. These are the mainly asked the models. There are many more combinations that one can think of, but you have to note an important point in solving the question on number analogy. Guys, remember, in number series related questions, since a series of numbers, which means more than two numbers will be given, the relationship or pattern can be identified uniquely. Okay, can be identified uniquely. Let me explain with you this. you know let's say 2 4, 3 what. Okay, 2 4 3 what. Okay, some may have think 2 plus 2 4, then 3 plus 2 5. The other student, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6. 2 square 2 square 4, 3 square going to be a 9. See, look at here how simple number analogy. I am ending with how many answers? Three answers. I am ending with how many answers? Three answers. Then which of this is correct? Okay, which of this is correct? So you need to understand the point. Okay, you need to understand the point. Guys, the point is very simple. Okay, guys, the point is very simple. Whenever you come across these type of questions, options are very, very important. Options are very, very important. Guys, there I am telling, there should be one unique answer. Okay, unique answer only analogy. Otherwise, you will not get it. Because what is the relation existing between these two quantities? The same relation has to be existing between these two quantities. Then only your logic is going to be correct. Otherwise, your logic is going to be wrong. Okay, so answer for this question, according to the option you have to decide. Let's say in the option there is only 5, then the logic is plus 2. In the option there is only 6, then the logic is multiplied by 2. Okay, in the options there is only option 1, 9 is present, remaining are different ones, then the logic is what? Square. Okay, so this is how you need to answer. So the point is this: in number analogy, okay, in number analogy, definitely one unique answer will be there. Okay, in number analogy, since only two numbers are given, it may be possible to think of more than one relation existing between the two numbers in the given pair. But it should be kept in mind that generally simple addition of one number or subtraction of one number is not what is given in number analogy. He'll not give simply, okay, we'll try some questions, test the questions, insight, that will insight you that, you have to got, relationship between the numbers. Let us try, let us take, we'll take few examples and understand the questions in number analogy. Okay, number analogy. Okay, let's try to figure it out. Let's try to solve it. Okay, find a missing number. If 25, 36, 49. Yes, what is the answer? Option A 61, option B 63, option C 65, option D 60, option E 98, option E 98. Okay, option C 98. Guys, when the numbers in the questions are considered to be, the student, generally, he'll write, 5 square, this is 6 square, this is 7 square. Definitely, they'll end up with 8 square 64. But look at here, 64 is there in present in your options. No. So then you have to think logically. So 64 is present? No. When 64 is not present, so this is not your logic. Then what is the logic? Okay, then what is the logic? Look at here. When the numbers are in the question are considered the you tend to consider 25 and 36 as square of two consecutive natural numbers. But the answer choice does not consist of an answer suitable to the above logic. Yes or no? Above logic in the sense what? Yeah. Hence, it is important that student keep answer choices keep answer choice in your mind. So now check it out the difference here. What is the difference? Yeah, how much I need to add to get 36 11? So add 11. Yeah, add 11, 69 plus 11, 69, 49 plus 11. That's going to be what? 60. 60 is present in your option? Yes. So logic, okay, logic for this particular question is what? Add 11, add 11. Okay, so answer choice is what? Choice D. Choice D. Choice D. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Find the missing number 27, 51, okay, 83, okay, and a dash, okay, 83 and a dash, okay. So what's the answer? Your options are 102, 117, 123, 138, 171. Okay, 171. Let's closely look at here. 27, it's any multiple. Let's take with 3. No, it's not a multiple. Let's check the difference. So how much I need to add to get the 51? So I need to add plus 24. Yes or no? 24. Add 24 here. 7, 107. Yes or no? So 107 in the present in your options? No. That's what, always, simply not give the plus logic. Then what is the logic is involved? Think about it. Think about it. Guys, if you closely observe, look at here. 27, 51, 83. 27 you can write, 5 square plus 2. 51 you can write 7 square plus 2. 83 you can write what? 9 square plus 2. Yeah, this is the logic. It what? 5 and 7 are what? Successive odd numbers. Similarly, the next odd number. What is the next odd number, friends? 11. So 11 square plus 2. What is 11 square? 121. Plus 2 will give you 123. 123. 123 is present in your options? Yes. Option C. Choice C. Yes or no? Choice C. Okay. The given analogy, is what? Square the successive odd numbers square plus 2. Successive odd numbers square plus 2. That's how you can end your answer. Okay, that's how you can end your answer. We'll see the next example. 11, 25, okay, 17 dash. Okay, your options are 33. Next option 38. Sorry, 28. Next option 41, 37, 34. Okay, look at here 11, 25. 11 and 25. What is the difference? Check the difference first. So how much I need to add? 14. So add 14 here. 17 plus 14, 20, 31. 31 present in your options? No. So with that logic, it's not going to happening. But Any multiplication kind of stuff? Yes. 11 twos are 22 plus 3. Here also 17 twos are 34 plus 3. 34 plus 3 is what? 37 is present? Yes. 37 is present? Yes. So the logic is goes to what? Into 2 plus 3. Here also into 2 plus 3. Always remember what is the logic here? The same logic is going to apply. That means analogy. Analogy means what? Similarity. Okay, the similar relationship existing between, what is the relationship existing between the first two quantities? The same relation should exist between the second two quantities. Okay, second two quantities. Next we'll try to solve, letter analogy. Letter analogy. Okay, the questions in, letter analogy area, similar to verbal analogy. We'll see that verbal analogy later. you know Here the questions are based on relationship between two group of letters. Okay, two group of letters. In verbal analogy, in between two words. Okay, here instead of two words, they'll give what? Two group of letters. Typically, three set of letters will be given. Okay, by followed by a question mark. You need to figure it out what is the fourth one. Okay, what is the fourth one? You need to figure it out what is the fourth one. Similarly, he may give 4 and 3 and 2. You need to figure it out one. He may give any of the order. Sometimes he will give 1, 2 and 4. You need to figure it out 3. Okay, sometimes he'll give 1, 3 and 4. You need to figure it out 2. Guys, the logic is very simple. Once you got your logic, the job is very easy. Now the questions are, regarding letter analogy. Okay, letter analogy. Letter analogy. Okay, letter analogies. Okay, let's take question number 1. Okay, B, D, E, G to D, F, G, I. Okay, this is means equality, similarity. H, K, M, O. So what is the next? Okay, guys, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Whenever, if you want to good in analogy, odd man out, coding, decoding, number letter series, you should good with your place positions. Okay, you should good with your place position. So what is the relation? Let me figure it out. But before that, what do you want? You need your options. Your option A, NP, option B, JMOP. Okay, next option C, JMOQ, JMOQ. Next JNOQ. Next JMPO. Okay, so BDEG DFGI. Okay, so if you closely look at here, D is second letter, this is a fourth letter, there is a +2. D is fourth letter, F is sixth letter, again +2. E is fifth letter, seventh letter, +2. B, D, E, G, D, F, G, I. Okay, 2, 4, 4, 6, 5, 7, 7, and 9. Always the logic is what? +2, +2, +2, +2. In the same note, here also +2, H +2, J, K +2, M, M +2, O, O +2, Q. So JMOQ, JMOQ, JMOQ. So which option? Option C. Okay, which option, guys? Option C. Option C. Okay, option C. Next question. Next question, guys. Next question. Please write down the next question. Logic here is what? +2, +2, +2. If the logic is like this, D, B, C, D, E, which is coded as D, F, H, H. Okay, so F G H I. So which is going to be what? Your options are L J P L, L K P L, J K P J, I K P L. So what is your answer? Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you. If you know the place positions, the job is very easy. D F H H. Look at here. 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. This is what, guys? This is 5 and 8. Guys, look at here, into 2. Here also into 2. Here also into 2. But into 2 is not happening here. So let me do into 2 plus 3. Into 2 plus 3 is happening? Yes. So that's it. That's where your logic. So the logic here is what? Into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 3. So into 2, 6 2 is 12. 12th letter is what? L plus 3. 10th letter is what? J. H into 2. 16th letter is what? P. I plus 3. 9 plus 3 is what? 12. Okay. L J P L. L J P L. So which option, guys? What is the answer? So the answer is what? First option. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, that is going to be your answer. Okay, that is going to be your answer. So this is all about letter analogy. This is all about, guys, letter analogy. So how the letter analogy will come into the picture, that is very very important. Okay, so analogy means what? Similarity. Okay, so if you want to good in letter analogy, the only point is what? You should good at, you know you should good at place positions. That is the only mantra you can answer your questions. Next, verbal analogy. Okay, verbal analogies. What is verbal analogy? Let's take one example. Okay, gum, stick. Okay, needle is dash. Yeah, gum is used to what? Stick. Needle is used to what? Stitch. Yes or no? He'll give options. First option, cloth. Second option, prick. Third option, tailor. Fourth option, stitch. Okay, stitch. Yeah. So you need to understand one point here. Yeah. What is the relation existing between first two quantities? The same relation should exist between second two quantities. So obviously, gum is to what? Gum, use it for what? Stick. Yes or no? So stick it, that will help you. Okay. Then needle is what? To stitch it. Okay, to stitch. Okay, so answer for this question is what? Stitch. Stitch. Okay. Next question. Please write down the next question. Yeah. Please write down the next question. Socks. Socks. Feet. Okay. You need to tell me hand. The fourth one was given, you need to figure it out the third one. Option A, arms. Option B, gloves. Gloves. Option C, fingers. Fingers. Option D, nails. Okay. Socks are worn on feet. Yes or no? So socks are worn on where? Feet. Similarly, for hands, what we need to wear? Gloves, no? Gloves. Yes or no? So answer for this question is what, guys? Gloves. Okay. For hands, we need to wear what? What? Gloves. Gloves. Okay. Gloves. Next question. Next question. Soft, hard, cold, dash. Your options are hot, snow, winter, okay, ice, night. Night, soft, hard, soft and hard are what, antonyms. They are not synonyms. Similarly, you need to figure it out the antonym for, cold. Cold. So cold, opposite word is what? Now there are opposite words, right? So cold opposite word is what? Hot. Cold opposite word is what, guys? Hot. Okay, cold opposite word is what? Hot. Okay, guys. So we'll do guys. We'll do number analogy questions, letter analogy questions, and verbal analogy questions. Okay, we'll take turn by turn, and we'll try to see different kind of questions on this particular concept. Okay, we'll try to answer every question. Okay, let's try to write question number one, which is now we are looking at what number analogy. 196, 256, 324. What is the answer? Okay, your options are 361, 400, 411. Okay, 411, and the next option 484. Yeah, the moment I saw this, I come across what squares. Look at here. This is what 14 square. This is what 16 square. This is what 18 square. Yes or no? This is what 18 square. Okay, 18 square. And look at here. What is the difference here? Plus 2. So here also plus 2. So plus 2 means what? 18 plus 2 what? 20 square. What is 20 square, guys? 400. What is 20 square? 400. Okay, so very simple question. Okay, very simple question. So squares. So I can say successive even numbers squares. Okay, successive even numbers squares. Successive even numbers squares. Okay, successive even numbers squares. Next question. 441 east 361 729 dash. That's why I used to tell you, you should be very good understanding about, you should know this all the squares and cubes. Okay, then the job is going to be easy. Otherwise, it will take time. Again, I can say these are squares. This is 22 square. This is 19 square. This is 27 square. Look at here. 22 square, 19 square, minus 2. 27 square minus 2. That will give you 25 square. What is 25 square? 625. Your option is there? Yes. Which option, guys? Third option. Which option, guys? Third option. You can answer your question. You can answer your question. Next question. Next question. What is the next question? 121, 169, okay, 361 dash. Your options are 529, 400, 484, 576, 256. Okay, 256. Guys, now also I can see all squares. Let's try with squares. 11 square, 13 square. This is what? 19 square. Isn't it so? Yes or no? Yeah. But look at here. 11 square, 13 square. So plus 2. So here plus 2. Plus 2 is what? 21 square. What is 21 square? 441. But 441 present here? No. So then this is not plus 2 logic. Some other logic is involved. But I can surely say, these are squares. 11 and 13. So can I say 11 and 13 are primes? Yes or no? So the next prime he has written. Okay, the next prime he has written. So after 19, what is the next prime, guys? Yeah, the next prime number is what? This is not plus 2 logic. The next prime number is what? 23. So what is 23 square? 529. 529 present in your options? Yes. Yes. So logic is what? What is the logic here? Next prime number. What is the logic here? Next prime number. Next prime number. Okay. What is the logic here? Next prime number. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Right on, next question. Now this we have seen the logics, regarding. Let's say this is 27, 216, 64 dash. Your options are 216, 1331, 1728, 1728, 8127, 8127. Guys, you should thorough with your squares and cubes. Look at here. Look at here. Okay. Yeah, 27, 216, 64 dash. Okay, 64 dash. Yeah, I think I have written wrong options. Wait a minute. Let me give your options. 216 double one. Yeah. This is, this is 512. Because, you are not going to get your answer. 512, 729,000. 512, 729 and 1000. Your options are. Yeah, 512, 729 and 1000 is your answer. Okay. So guys, this is 3 square. Yes or no? This is what 3 square. This is what 6 square. This is what 8 square. Let's take plus 3. Plus 3. Okay. Plus 3 and plus 3. 6 plus 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Okay. So 11 square is what? Sorry. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is 3 square. Yeah. So 11 square is what? 121. So this is not squares, right? 27 is what? 3 cube. Okay, wait a minute. So this is not logic with the squares. This is what? With the cubes. Okay, this is what? With the cubes. So 3 cube is 27. So this is what? 6 cube, right? Okay, so this is what? 4 cube. So what is the next number? So plus 3 plus 3. Plus 3 is what? 7. 7 cube is what? 343. 343 is present in your options? No. Then how 3 to 6, how it will come into the picture? Into 2. Into 2? Yes. 3 to the what? 6. 4 to the what? 8. So here must be 8 cube. What is 8 cube? 512. 512 is present? Yes. So answer for this question is what? Answer for this question is what, guys? Yeah, 512. Okay, 512. Okay, 512. Next. Next. Next question. Next question. 36, 343. Okay, dash 1331. Your options are 81, 121, 100, 144, 169. Look at here, guys. I can say this is directly square, 6 square. This is what? 7 cube. So when this is 11 cube, so here must be 10 square. Now what is 10 square, guys? 100. Very easy to understand it. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to calculate this particular question. Okay, it will take a lot of time to calculate it. So answer for that particular question is what? Yeah, 100. Okay, 100. Next question. Next question. Next question. 24, 576. Okay. 32 dash. Your options are 1024. Okay. 992. 1228. 865. 1728. 1728. 1728. Okay, 1728. Guys, look at here, 24, this is 24 square only. So here 32 square you want. So what is 32 square is important. Okay, so if you know the 32 square, the job is done. Okay, so 32 square is 1024. Okay, 1024. No need of calculating anything. 32 into 32. Last digit must be 4. Is any option last digit is 4? Only one option, which is what? The last digit is 4. So answer is what? 1024. What is the logic? 24 square. 32 square. Okay, 32 square. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question. 13, 2197, 16 dash. Your options are 256, 2744, 4096, 3378, 3375. Okay, so 13, guys, this is 13 and this is 13 cube. So this is 16. What is 16 cube is a point. Okay, if you know the 16 cube, the job is done. Okay, if you know the 16 cube, the job is done. Okay, so what is 16 cube? 4096. 4096. So the other options are not going to come, any logic is not going to acceptable. So this is the only logic, you can adapt this. Okay, you can actually you can answer your questions. Okay, next question. Next question. 22 506, 27 dash. Okay, your options are 675, 756, 702, 783, 800. Okay, 800. Yeah. So 22 and 576. Okay, 22 506, 27 dash. Okay, so how to tackle this question? Okay, how to tackle this question? Guys, if you closely observe, what is 22 square? Okay, 22 square is 484. Plus 22 is how much? Yeah, 484 plus 22 will give you 506. There is no other way, almost near to your 22 square. So here also 27 square is what? 729 plus 27. Okay, so last digit must be 6. There is only one option, which is 6, because 9 plus 7 6. No need of calculating any other thing. So answer is what? 756. What is the logic? Yeah, n square plus n. Okay, n square plus n is the sum. Okay, that's going to be your logic. That is your logic. Okay, next. Okay, next. 5 128 dash. Okay, 5 128 dash. Your options are 520, 504, 448, 512, 542. Okay, 542. Yeah, so 5 120. 5 cube is what? 125. So yeah, 5 cube minus 5. So here also 8 cube minus 5. What is 8 cube? 512 minus 8. I'm sorry, not 5, minus 8. So 5 cube, 512 minus 8. That will give you what? 504. 504. 504 is going to be your answer. Okay, 504 is going to be your answer. Okay, next question. Next question, guys. Yeah, we'll solve few questions based on in this particular number series, number analogy only. Okay, next write down 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 is coded as, sorry, analogy 1 9 6 4. Okay. Okay. Then how 4 2 3 1? Oh, nice question. Okay, so your options are 6 4 7 2 3, like 16,419, 168,127. This is 1,63,829, 18246. Guys, when the numbers are very strange. Okay, guys, when the numbers are, they are in strange kind of situation. Okay, when they are in a strange kind of situation, don't panic. Look at here, 1 2 3 4. You don't know how much you need to add, how much you need to multiply. Then divide the numbers. 1 2 8. So 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, so 4 cube. So first number is square, next number is cube, next number is what? Square, next number is what? Cube. On the same note, 4 square is what? 16. 2 cube is what? 8. 3 square is what? 9. 1 cube is what? 1. So then the answer is what? 1 6. Okay. 8 9 1. Okay. 1 6 8 9 1. You are getting 1 6 8 9 1. Yeah. 1 6 8 okay. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, 4 2 3 1. So maybe our option is missing, but the logic is same. Okay, maybe your option is not present in your option. Maybe, yeah. Yeah. According to this thing, the logic is answer is this one only. So maybe you can change your options. Okay. Next question. 64 100 256 dash. Okay, 6400 256 is dash. Okay, your options are 289, 144, 484, 169, 121. Okay, 121. Yeah, 121. What is the answer? 6400 256 is dash. Okay. Yeah. So look at here. How much I need to get this 36? So plus 36, I'll get any answer? No. No. 6 6 12. No. So plus is not your logic. Whenever the logic is not in your side, go that side. 6 plus 4 is what? 10. 10 square only 100, no? So what is the logic sum of the digits? So 2 plus 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 11. 11 plus 2 what? 13. So answer is what? 13 square. What is 13 square? 116. And 116 present in your options? Yes. So answer for this particular question is what? 169. 169. These are the varieties which you have in number analogy. Okay, number analogy. We'll go to letter analogy now. We'll go to letter analogy. Letter analogy. Let's say C G K dash. Okay. Look at here 3. This is 7. This is what? 11. Okay, let's write the options. First option N Q O P R. Let me try with plus 3. So here also plus 3. 11 plus 3 is what? 14. What is 14th letter? What is 14th letter? N. N is present? Yes. So the logic here is what? Plus 3 plus 3. Okay, plus 3 plus 3. Next question. K P. Okay. S dash. K place position 11. Let's take the options. F H G I V. Okay, K place position 11, P 16, plus 5, S 19. Let me add plus 5. 19 plus 5 is what? 20. 19 plus 5 is what, guys? 24. 24. X is present here? No, X is not present. Now think about the other one. Now think about the other logic. Okay, now think about the other logic. How we can answer it? Okay, how we can answer this? Okay, now think about it. You can get your answer. Okay, you can get your answer. Yes, how we can answer that? So with that I am not getting. So yeah, you should know this thing. Yeah, K and P are what? K and P are what? Opposite letters. What do you mean by opposite letter? If the sum of the two place positions is 27, those letters are called what? Opposite letters. So 16 plus 11 is what? 27. So how much I need to add to get 27? Plus how much? Plus how much I need to add? 12? No. So if I add 9, 19 and 7, no? 7. Okay. 19 plus 7, you will get 20. No, 8 you need to add. So 19 plus 8. So what is 8th letter, guys? H. So the logic, what is the logic here? The logic here is opposite letters. Okay. The logic here is what? Opposite letters. Okay. With the 5 you are not getting any answer. Then how the answer is going to be, you are with the 5 you are not getting. So then go to the other logic. So what are the numbers? The numbers are opposite. So S opposite is what? H. Next, F, S, okay, L dash, okay, F, S, then L dash, okay, yeah. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yeah, if you want the options, I can give the options as well. Your options are V, W, X, T, Y. Okay, T and Y. Guys, look at here. F place position 6, S place position 19, T place position 12. So let me check with the difference. So plus 13, plus 13, 12 plus 13 is 25. 25th letter is Y. Y is present? Yes. Y is present in our options? Yes. Then the logic is what? Logic is plus 13. Logic is what here, guys? Plus 13. Okay, plus 13. Next, H, P, S dash. Your options are L, N, J, I, M. Okay, write the place positions 8, 16. This is what? 19 dash. You can add plus 8 first. So plus 8. 19 plus 8 is what? 19 plus 8 is what? 27. 27th letter is what? A. A is present here? No. So this is not with plus 8. Okay. But you can do into 2, no? Into 2. Into 2. 19 2s are 38. But how you can write that? What is 38th letter? A bit confusion. But don't confuse. 26 plus 12 only 38. Yes or no? So into 2 16, into 2 38. So 26 plus 12. What is 12th letter? L. So L is present? Yes. So the logic is what? The logic in this particular question is what? Multiplied with 2. So, okay, multiplied with 2. Multiplied with 2. Okay. So the logic for this particular question is what, guys? Multiplied with 2. Okay. Next question. If the question is like this, D, K, which is coded as, code means GG, then LS is dash. Your options are OR, PP, OO, NN, RR. Okay. So D place position 4, L place, K place position 11. So plus 3, 11 minus 3 is G. No, 11 minus 4. Okay, so that's how you can get GG. But look at here, L plus 3 is what? Oh, S minus 4. 19 minus 4 is what? 19 minus 4 is what? 15. Yes, I got. So, plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4. Okay, plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4. That's how you can get your answer. Okay, that's how you can get your answer. So, logic is what? Plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4. Next question. Next question, guys. If you closely look at here, dk, dk is done, right? Yeah. Next one, ps is kh. Okay, mt dash. Your options are nh, ng, lg, lh, okay, and mg. Okay, so p and s. So 16, 19, 11, 8. Is there any connection between these two guys? I'm not seeing any connection. But 16 plus, yeah, opposite letters. Look at here. 16 and 11, 27. 19 and 8 also 27. So 13, T is what? 20. So the last is G because I need to add, 27. If you want to get 27 here, this must be N. Yes or no? N and G. N and G is present? Yes. So the logic here is what? Opposite letters. Okay. Opposite letters. Opposite letters. Okay. Opposite letters, guys. So answer for that particular question is what? Opposite letters. This is all about, the letter analogy. Okay, letter analogy. Now we'll see the questions, based on word analogy. Okay, word analogy. Okay, word analogy. Look at here. Let's say train is track. Train, track. Then bus dash. Okay, bus dash. Your options are driver, conductor, petrol, passenger, road. Train, track. On track train will go. So on which bus will go? So answer is what? Road, no? Okay, answer is what here? Road. Okay, so on track train will go. Okay, so on the same note, so bus will go on which thing? Okay, so bus will go on where? Yeah, on road. Okay, on road. Next question. Please write down next question. Next question. Yeah, if the question is like this, Earth is a planet. Earth planet, then is coded as what? Okay, is coded as what? Carrot is coded as what? Earth is a planet, then carrot is coded as what? Your options are vegetable, plant, cooking, root, fruit. So please understand behind this particular thing. Okay, so if you closely observe, Earth is a planet, then carrot is a what? It's a vegetable. No, carrot is a what? Veggie. Okay, carrot is what? Vegetable. Carrot is what, guys? Vegetable. Next, India, Modi. Okay, India, Modi. India, Modi. America dash. America dash. Guys, don't say Trump as your answer. Okay, because India, Modi, Indian Prime Minister is Modi. In fact, I don't know who is the Prime Minister of USA, but the point is this: if I say India, Ravindranath, Kovind, Ramnath Kovind, then America, you can say what? Trump, because president is the thing. Here, the president is the thing. No. Okay, so please while solve it, please make a note. Wood is what? Carpenter. Okay, wood is carpenter. So iron is dash. Okay, goldsmith. Your options are goldsmith, uh, instrument, melting, blacksmith, metal. Okay, guys, look at here. Yeah, wood, carpenter. Okay, wood, carpenter. Wood is a raw material. Okay, you know, for what? Carpenter. Then iron is a raw material for what? Blacksmith. Okay, so answer for this question is what? Blacksmith. Blacksmith. Next. Next. Pen, write, knife, dash. Knife, dash. Okay, pen is to what? Write. Knife is to dash. Vegetable, cut, sharp, shoot, blade. Okay, is very simple question. Pen is to write, and knife is to what? Knife is used to what? Cut. Okay, knife is used to what? Cut. Next. Next. Pig, piglet, dog. Don't say doglet. Okay, that's not your answer. Okay, the younger one of pig is called what? Piglet. So the younger one of dog is called what? Puppy. Okay, the younger one of dog is called what, guys? Puppy. Puppy. Okay, puppy. No, you need to understand all these type of questions. Okay, next. Night and sorry, day, night, day, night. Okay, day, night. Okay. Spend, thrift. Okay, spend, thrift. Yeah, day opposite is what? Night. Then spend, thrift opposite is what? Missile. Okay, missile. Those are the opposite letters, opposite words. Next, hand, fingers. Legs is dash. Hand is what? Fingers. Then legs is dash. Okay, legs will also have fingers. Huh? No, legs will have what? Toes. Okay, legs will have what? Toes. Okay, TOES. TOES. Next, USA, president. Germany, dash. So, in USA, there is presidential rule. In Germany, what it is. Okay, so you should have some general knowledge also. Okay, in Germany also president. Let me give the options. Your options are, chancellor, pope, director, arms. Okay, director, arms. Yeah, see. Uh, so in Germany there is a chancellor. Chancellor is going to come. Okay, so the rule there is going to done by whom? Chancellor. Okay, chancellor. Next. India, rupee. UK, dash. India, rupee. Okay, India, rupee. So what is that? It's a currency, right? So when India, rupee, so obviously USA is what? Also currency. What is the UK currency? Pound. UK currency is what, guys? Pound. Next. Yeah, next. Afghanistan, Kabul. Okay, Afghanistan, Kabul. Okay, Afghanistan, Kabul. Okay, bulb, Bulgaria dash. Bulgaria dash. Yeah, Afghanistan Kabul is what? It's a capital city. So Bulgaria capital city is what? Sofia. Bulgaria capital city is what, guys? Sofia. Okay, Sofia. Bulgaria capital city is what? Sofia. Sofia. Okay. Bulgaria capital city is what, guys? Sofia. Next. Next question. Next question. Next question. Okay. Next question. Yeah, please write down the next question. Yeah. So, next question is, this. Australia kangaroo. Okay, Australia kangaroo. India dash. Australia kangaroo. India dash. Okay, you know the what is that? What is that? Australia is what? Kangaroo. Then in India is what? The national animal. So what is the national animal? Yeah, here the national animal is what? Okay. Yeah, Indian's national animal is what? Tell me, what is a national animal for India? Yes, guys. What is the national animal for India? India's national animal is what? We can say tiger. If you want to say, it's going to be Bengal tiger. Okay, so that's the national animal for what? India. Okay, national animal is what, guys? India. So Indian national animal is what? Okay, so that's how you can. So this is all about number, letter, series, and analogy. So please try to, yeah, please try to uh, please good with this thing. Okay, so that will help you a lot. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks a lot for being in my session. Have a great day. Thanks for learning analogy and odd man out. Sorry, only analogy. Yeah, thank you.